guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining. I hope that you will give us a thumbs up during this video, that you'll subscribe, and that you'll hit notifications so you get all of our recipes when they post. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you very much for coming back and joining us. Today, we are going to be making some beef ribs. Okay.
NC inspired beef ribs.
I've got my daughter here with me. She's from out of town. We are going shopping today, so we will not be spending all day in this kitchen. No, ma'am.
I don't ever spend all day in the kitchen.
Hey, but she's learning, okay? You know that cooking sometimes can be an acquired taste.
It's a skill.
It is practice. This is what she pulled out for me, of all things.
I was coming down from North Carolina, and I asked Mom, what was that barbecue recipe you used to make whenever I was little? It's about 30 years old or more. And she found it.
This is a recipe that I had tore out of a magazine. Do you guys remember? Now, I know you don't all, but some of you there are going to remember when you'd go into a doctor's office or really any place of business, they had on the coffee table magazines. So I ripped this one out. Literally, I still have it after all of these years. So this is a Dick Clark of all things.
And he did American Bandstand, and it was 25 years before MTV. He was the OG VJ.
Yeah, what up?
We're silly.
So we're going to be making you some North Carolina-inspired Southern barbecue beef ribs with the help of our friend
Dick Clark.
We're going to start with our crock pot. Of course, this one's going to cook about 8 hours today while me and Nikki's out spending some money, trying to find some things we can't live without. We're going to spray it with some cooking spray. Woo! You know I hate that crap. Okay, and then I'm going to add onions to the very bottom because I don't like my meat touching the bottom of the crock pot. It seems to get too overcooked when I do that.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Our ribs, we have already salt and peppered them, and they're almost at room temperature. We're going to add these in.
The crock pot's great. You just throw that crap in and just go on with your day.
Absolutely.
I'm all about that.
Yeah, you can do this. Yeah, before you go to work.
So what you're saying, Nick, is you can have a North Carolina-inspired barbecue beef ribs in the comfort of your apartment. That's awesome.
In San Francisco, even. North Carolina ribs. What a world it is.
Yes, it's awesome.
It's a small.
We're going to put this barbecue sauce together now. So we will start with some tomato paste. Guys, the measurements for this and the recipe will be down in the description. Now we need tomato ketchup. Next, we need mustard. We're using just regular yellow mustard. It's going to be yummy. Okay, now what do we have? We got vinegar. White vinegar. Brown sugar. Sugar.
You can make this with anything, too. I remember making it with chicken, and it was awesome.
Yep.
Any kind of meat.
And then 1 cup of water. And I'm not going to put quite a cup because I do like mine a little thicker, but I will leave this sitting by the crock pot, and Ron, maybe halfway through the cook, can come in here and see if it needs any more water. And Nikki, you want to stir that up for us? We're going to whisk this all together.
Whisk it up.
Hold that whisk just 1 minute, sister. We're going to put in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire.
Say that 3 times fast.
Say it all once.
Yeah, say it all. For real. I struggle with that. We just want everything mixed all in there good, right?
Yep. Just mix her around. Super fast and easy recipe, guys. Super. What do you think, Nick? You think it's pretty good? Things mixed up.
I think so.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we do like ours with a little bit of spice, so I'm going to add just a little bit of red pepper flake, and I think I'm going to add this right on to the beef.
Oh, okay.
You can mix it in, but we're going to make sure that it gets to where I want it to be, okay? Not that, yeah, it might move a little when we put the sauce in, but that's pretty much it. We're going to pour it in.
All right.
You want the honors?
Yes.
Since you mixed it.
Absolutely.
There you go.
The guest gets the honors. Put that up in there.
Yep.
Maybe in that one.
Yeah, there we go.
All right. Let's look at this. That's some pure Southern love right there. Yeah, every last
There
drop.
you go. Okay, now I see that this is a little thick, and I'm going to go ahead and add my water now. That way I don't have to depend on anyone to check this for me because we're not going to be here. And it's going to thicken up as well as it cooks. So that was 1 cup of water total, okay? We're going to cover this baby, set it for 8 hours on low, and we'll come back and show you how these turn out.
Ooh.
We are back from shopping, and these ribs are done, and this house smelled fabulous.
Oof, I'm starving. Get it going.
Look at these. Looky, looky.
Can't wait.
Look at that sauce. Let's see how tender they are.
Oh, yeah.
We're so hungry, I went ahead and fixed a plate, okay?
After a long day of shopping, this is just what I need. Oh, yeah. That's mine, right?
Absolutely, it's yours.
Yeah. Let's get it.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah. That's just like I remembered.
Ah, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe. If you have, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of our videos when they post. And until next time, stir the pot.
Stir the pot. I'm focused on this.